Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap and we'll show you how to install or repair your fuel door on your WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So, you came to this video and you noticed that your fuel door isn't working or closing or isn't functioning kind of properly. It's due to multiple things. It's due to this little spring here, either coming loose or coming off, or it's also due to this little, so it's due to the door hinge thing that goes all the way through this little door onto the backside. Usually that's not all the way seated and it causes your door to fumble around in the wind. So your door will actually be super wobbly and will fumble around a lot and may not actually seat back in the housing correctly. So that's due to this little rod here going all the way through. The other part could be the suspension. The suspension clip is like this, and it goes a certain way, and I'll demonstrate it here. And then that allows you to open and close it correctly, keeps it open or keeps it closed. Okay, let's get started by taking off this piece right here. It is factory match paint. All you have to do is release that little tension tab and it comes right off. Next, we'll take off the access door hinge. So the access door hinge, for reference, this is a newer unit. It's the actuated door that goes into this little slot. This little slot right here. We want to remove it, push it all the way into the vehicle, and then whenever we install this, we'll grab it and then slot it right back. Okay, so the actuator door is right here. There will be two little tabs, kind of like a little U-shaped grab. You want to release those and then this actuator door will come free. Little tab, and then pull it. Okay. Okay. So you kind of want to turn it sideways and push it back. Now we're dealing with the door here. So we want to go ahead and pry from these top two and the bottom two with a straight screwdriver to release it. If you want to use two or maybe like a plastic pry bar for plastic trim, that might work a little bit easier here so you don't scratch any of the paint and or ruin your door, your fuel door. So there's two. So right here you want to go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver to go in and around the rubberized ring of the fuel filler neck. You also want to pull from the opposite side so that way it's easier to pull it out of the vehicle. Before you start pulling and yanking on the plastic part, there is an extra step that you will need to do to alleviate this housing from the vehicle itself. And as soon as you get to this step, you want to use a flathead screwdriver and pull it to the rear of the vehicle so that way you can alleviate the housing and pull it out of the vehicle. It's a little tedious and a little scary, but it is recommended to get it out of the vehicle. So now we have the brand new unit. I purchased a brand new unit due to the physical look, and the rubberized was depleting, so I purchased a new one off of Mopar website. I can link it down in the description if you guys would like, but this is a brand new unit, and it seems to have the fuel filler neck that some people do have on their vehicles. This is a good time to connect that hose if you do have it, and then put in the front side where the actuator is, and then kind of press it into place. And once you got it pressed into place, use your palm, the back of your palm, and press it into those four corners that you use the flathead screwdriver to pry it at the beginning state. Now you want to go ahead and put the actuator back into place. It's best if you use the bottom, or place the bottom into the housing and then snap in the top, and then those two clips will secure it into place. Now the final step of the process is putting the faceplate back onto the new housing, and it's just as simple as sliding it back on. You do not have to use any tools to get it back onto the vehicle, and then whenever you want to close it, and then open the fuel door, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching the video, guys.